Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is not your ordinary toothbrush. This is from Colgate, their Keep Manual Toothbrush. This thing is amazing. Let me tell you about all of the cool features that make this thing so unique. So instantly, you notice this handle, it is aluminum, and so you might at first be like, that's kind of weird, but it's really cool. It doesn't feel that much heavier than a normal toothbrush, but the way of the design is that it actually uses less material and it feels very comfortable while you're holding it. It's easy to wrap your fingers around and to hold it and everything. One of the things that I love about this toothbrush is the fact about it has an interchangeable head. So it's all about using less material, less products. So anytime you want to update your toothbrush, normally you have to throw the whole thing away. But now with the Colgate Keep, you just separate it. So they give you 2 of these to begin with, and then anytime you need a new one, you just buy new toothbrush heads. You already have the bottom, and you don't need to ever update this thing because it's aluminum and it's gonna last for a really long time. So you just need new of these. This one is the Deep Clean, and it really does help your teeth feel really nice and clean. It has the normal soft bristles, but it also has those harder bristles that are going to give your teeth the deep clean feeling and satisfaction. And on the back, it even has a tongue scrubber, which is always super helpful. If you're like me and you're tired of always having to throw out your toothbrushes, well, get the Colgate Keep so you can keep your toothbrush and just change out the heads. It makes you feel better because you're using less waste, and it makes your teeth feel good too. And that's my point of view.